youth, ya go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, ya star. Only for pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne Allen Media, alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Vybz Kartel recent health issues, Vybz Kartel and Rvssian link up, and Vybz Kartel read Bible verse to Gaza Nation fans. Alright, so before we get into this report, we have to say that Vybz Kartel is a true dancehall legend and has long been the heartbeat of dancehall music, captivating fans with his lyrical genius and unmatched influence. However, Vybz Kartel recent health scare at the nightclub in Kingston, Mecca to be exact, is a cause for concern among fans and the wider music fraternity. As we know, Vybz Kartel has been diagnosed with Graves' disease, an autoimmune disorder that affects the thyroid. Kartel health was already fragile, and this incident shows us the seriousness of his condition. Kartel heart issues, along with the challenges of managing Graves' disease, make it crucial for Vybz Kartel to reconsider some of his lifestyle choices. As much as we celebrate Vybz Kartel's strength, we cannot ignore the impact of some of these decisions could have on his well-being. If you are new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Vybz Kartel grave disease and heart issues played a role in his release from prison. Kartel release was meant to give him the opportunity to recover, focus on his health and spend time with his family. Yet Vybz Kartel non-stop partying, drinking and sometimes smoking seems opposite to the goals he set out for himself when he just came from prison. One of the main reasons why I said that Vybz Kartel actions are a cause for concern is because of the seriousness of Vybz Kartel medical condition and because they contradict the message Kartel shared about prioritizing fitness and family.
Just finished my morning workout, Good half hour and thing, Can't too overdo it yet. Take it in stride.
The cognitive dissonance between these actions and his health goals put his long-term recovery at risk. If you say you're going to focus on health, then do that and do not do anything that will cancel that out. Everyone is looking forward to Vybz Kartel massive concert in December, where he's expected to perform for 3 hours. For me personally, the demand of such a performance is physically taxing. It's physically impossible, right, at this moment and time. And if Vybz Kartel health remains unstable, it could jeopardize the entire event. Downtown Records boss Joe Bogdanovich is surely counting on Vybz Kartel to be at peak fitness for what promises to be one of the biggest concerts in the Caribbean. So if Vybz Kartel were to fall ill again, there's a real chance the concert could be cancelled, disappointing thousands of fans and potentially harming his career trajectory. Remember, this concert is not just about a single night, it's about ensuring Vybz Kartel longevity in the music industry, the man greatness. Some people might listen to this and say, oh, you're bad mind, chat too much, load the man, ray. Right? While some might listen and know that what I'm saying is actually facts, and most people or some people closest to Vybz Kartel will be afraid to even say these things to Vybz Kartel. So as fans, we have nothing but respect for Vybz Kartel. He's not only our favorite artist, but also a symbol of strength and great creativity in the Jamaican culture, right? Do not be surprised if Vybz Kartel is being honored next year or the year after that, like Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, because he's that great. I want people to remember that we support Vybz Kartel through every triumph and challenge. However, being a supporter also means offering constructive advice when it's most needed. So watching Kartel health struggles play out in the media is not nice, and it's clear to me that something needs to change for his own good. And this isn't about criticism, it's about genuine concern for someone who impact the music and the culture. His impact is far too significant to be cut short by poor health conditions or poor decision making, right? So big up the world boss. Vybz Kartel and Rvssian have linked up for the first time since Kartel released from prison, and fans are excited, including myself. Rvssian is currently in Jamaica after being personally requested by Cardi B to produce a hit track for her and Vybz Kartel. Cardi B said Kartel is her all-time favorite artist. Cardi B wants to create the perfect song with Vybz Kartel, and Rvssian is the man for the job, one of Vybz Kartel's most loyal and true supporters, even when Vybz Kartel was behind bars. Truth be told, I'm looking forward to this song myself. Kartel played an instrumental role in launching Rvssian's career, giving him his platform and helping him to rise to become one of the top dancehall producer and world producer also. Rvssian has since built on that foundation, achieving greatness on his own. Whenever Kartel and Rvssian collaborate, it's always a certified hit, so definitely can't wait for this collaboration between Vybz Kartel and Cardi B. And good to see two friends reunite after so many years. Alright, so Vybz Kartel has recently previewed his upcoming track White Rum, which already sounds like it, you know, it's another massive hit. So check out this song from Vybz Kartel, the preview, White Rum.
Yeah, nigga. Didn't give a fuck about the nigga. Fuck your girl and send her to you.
Vybz Kartel woke up giving thanks for life and making sure to read a scripture from the Bible and share it with his fans. After an incident at the nightclub, Kartel is putting that behind him and making sure to send out positive message out there. So check out Vybz Kartel Bible message.
I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth. My soul shall make its boast in the Lord. The humble shall hear of it and be glad. Oh, magnify the Lord with me, and let us exalt his name together. I sought the Lord, and he heard me, and delivered me from all my fears. They looked to him and were radiant, and their faces were not ashamed. This poor man cried out, and the Lord heard him, and saved him out of all his troubles. The angel of the Lord encamps all around those who fear him, and delivers them. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who trusts in him. Oh, fear the Lord, you his saints. There is no want to those who fear him. The young lions lack and suffer hunger, but those who seek the Lord shall not lack any good thing. Come, you children, listen to me, I will teach you the fear of the Lord. Who is the man who desires life and loves many days that he may see good? Keep your tongue from evil, and your lips from speaking deceit. Depart from evil and do good. Seek peace and pursue it. The eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are open to their cry. The face of the Lord is against those who do evil, to cut off the remembrance of them from the earth. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears, and delivers them out of all their troubles. The Lord is near to those who have a broken heart, and save such as have a contrite spirit. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivers him out of them all. He guards all his bones, not one of them is broken. Evil shall slay the wicked, and those who hate the righteous shall be condemned. The Lord redeems the soul of his servants, and none of those who trust in him shall be condemned.
Alright, so that's the video for today. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.